my name's Oliver, and this is Mommy. Her real name is Emily, though. And
that's neat.
And we're making pumpkin pies. And it's our first time making them, and we're starting from scratch. We actually grew these pumpkins. No, we bought one, and we grew the other.
Yeah. What kind of pumpkins are these?
These sucker pumpkins, because you heard we're making pumpkin pie.
That's right. So normally, if you're making a pumpkin pie, I mean, at least where I come from, we use pumpkin pie mix, which we've learned in recent years isn't even really pumpkin. This is really made with sweet potatoes.
Yuck.
Well, I like sweet potatoes, but
well, I do
ingredient
like
pumpkin. Supposedly that's a lie. Anyway, so today
pumpkin pie.
We're making pumpkin pie. We have washed our pumpkins, and our first step is
I remember this now.
Oh, there we go. I forgot that since we're not making jack-o'-lanterns, we don't have to do all that.
You stole my spot.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why is there more seeds than we planted in this pumpkin?
Magical nature at work.
Is this the real sugariness?
No, it's not. It's just called a sugar pumpkin.
I tasted it. It tastes pretty good. Look at it.
Pretty good.
I'm over this pumpkin or carve now. Look at how many halves we have. We have 1 half, we have 2 halves, we have 3 halves, and we have 4 halves. We have 4 halves. So we're prepping the pumpkins right.
Okay, now when you shake this, you're not gonna just go. Okay. A gentle sprinkle. I know. I'm sorry. I can't help.
I'm
Now.
a funny guy.
I'm a funny guy sometimes.
We're a funny family, actually.
Would you like to taste the cinnamon? How is it? One more step before we bake this, Oliver. So we're gonna put all of these upside down. We're gonna bake this 350 for about 35 minutes.
We're back. We're gonna put the eggs in this bowl. Mommy is drinking wine.
Oh yes, hi.
And we made the pumpkin puree.
Why don't you give us a little? You love it? So good?
I gotta spit it. I guess I got it.
Does it look awesome?
Yeah.
Thanks, my little cheerleader.
We're making the pumpkin pie now. And I'm definitely eating the batter.
We kind of thought, like, with our homegrown pumpkin, we couldn't do like a store-bought crust, right?
Never.
Never. Except for those times that we do. Okay. Pour it slowly. Good. You got it? Lick it and tell us how it is.
It tastes good.
I don't know if I believe you. Okay, so we're gonna
Bake it.
Hey, Oliver, do you realize that last year you asked to make our own pumpkin pie? Excuse me, love. With our own pumpkins, and we did it. This was your vision.